In today's video, we are going to hear the sound of a wearing wheel bearing. In this case, the wheel bearing makes kind of a grinding sound. Sometimes they'll make more of a squealing sound. Generally, it is a grinding type noise. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show in the video about half a minute or so driving down the road with the van that has the worn wheel bearing. So you should hear the grinding noise. Then I'm going to split to the same vehicle on the same stretch of road after the bearing has been replaced. I'm going to do that a couple times, just back and forth. Might take about a minute and a half or so, but I want to give you the idea of what that sound is like, and I figure that's probably the best way to do it. So when the wheel bearing is bad, I'm driving at night, and after I replaced it, I took it for a drive on the same piece of road in the daytime. So the speed will be consistent because I'm driving along the same stretch of road. At the end of the video, you're going to see me shake the wheel, and you'll see a difference between when the bearing was bad, and then there's going to be a split shot to after I change the wheel bearing. Then I'm going to shake the wheel again, and you'll see the type of movement to look for.